So why doesn't the Fein vacuum suck very good? It's maybe not a great setup because we probably need 2.5 inch, a regular size shop vac. And then that tub, that 5-gallon bucket somehow needs to be a 20 or a 40-gallon bucket or something. I don't know if you can put a bin underneath here, that's about 40 gallons. That might help, that it's not filling that little tub. But here's part of the problem. This thing, this thing is solid. So we'll start with that. I'll empty this. I've already emptied out the whole bottom of the saw and all the tubes and everything. So we'll see how this works after we do this. So last time I took this apart, I just put three clamps on there so we can reuse that same bag. So we'll start with that, Randy.